Yeah, see, I think they ripped out that other elevator there.
Yeah. These are basically identical to the other ones in the back.
Yeah, they are, but I want to film everything. Yeah.
I used to do that.
I'm just trying to make some general comparisons here
Okay.
between the elevators here and the ones at Sky Harbor.
Going down.
Okay.
Go ahead. Four?
I'm going to the train.
Train?
Level 3, parking. Piso número 3, estacionamiento. Going down. Baja. Level 2, ticketing check-in. Piso número 2, venta de boletos. Going down. Baja. Level 1, baggage claim. Piso número 1, reclamo de equipaje. Going down. Baja.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Switch
Lower
sides.
level, interterminal train. Transportación a otros terminales. Tren interterminales. Going up. Sube.
Let's just get off at 2.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm gonna do one, but she said go up one bin.
This is 3.
Oh, she said go up. It's just one.
Push one for Parker.
Yeah, 1.
Yeah, see? One. Thank you.
Level 1, baggage claim.
Uh-oh.
Piso número 1, reclamo de equipaje. Going up.
Break?
Sube.
Not really.
Not really.
Sometimes we gotta open it all the way to get this shut. A little bit more. I'm going home. It only usually does that on one floor, but
I was gonna hold on to you because I was every post.
we're climbing out, don't worry.
Level 2, ticketing check-in.